Can you win your ex back? The short answer is yes, you can win them, but you cannot get them back, because getting them back means you want to restore the relationship you already lost with them. But if you want to win them and win their love, you can start from scratch and build a new relationship with that person. Have you tried trying to convince them, pleading with them, sending them 300 million messages to give you another chance, to try again, and you get a no? Because when they look at the past, they don't like what was happening there. But that doesn't mean that they don't love you anymore. Even if they say that they don't love you anymore, they don't know their feelings. Most people have ideas about what their feelings are, but they don't know their true feelings. If they loved you once, it's very hard to stop loving somebody. You can just block that feeling. That's why we talk about soulmates for life, because we have that wired in and we can suppress it, but they still have feelings for you. That is one of the reasons sometimes they get angry with you, right? Because that comes up and that's not the feeling they want to feel. They get irritated. Oh, you again. I feel for love for you, but I don't want to. Like, why are you doing this to me? And they start blaming you for this. So you can take that love and make it so strong they cannot ignore it anymore and they give in, but not by pleading to get back and try what was already there. You have to build something new, and you have to do it subtly, step by step, almost unseen to them. Go in stages. So the first stage, and you can be on the first stage or maybe a later stage. The first stage is when you're in a fight, in a conflict, and you ignore each other, or they ignore you, they blocked you everywhere. You need to solve the conflicts, and there is a way to do that. And if you just go through this channel, subscribe to it, go through other videos, you will find what to do if they're angry at you, and what to do if they hate you or when they ignore you. There's like a specific way, specific things you need to say or text to them. Maybe if you're blocked, you will need to make a new account, but there is a way. Then, when you're just acquaintances that are okay with talking to each other, gradually you become friends, almost unseen for them. And texting is really good for that, because you can space it out, and then that friendship becomes flirtier and steamier and more romantic and sexier. And they don't notice, there's this concept of boiling the frog, right? When the heat of the water goes up very slowly, the frog doesn't know it's being boiled. So you kind of do it very, very subtly, and wow, you're like in a passionate relationship again, and then the feeling becomes so strong they cannot ignore it, and then meetings happen, passion happens, sexual attraction, romantic attraction, and you started a new relationship with your ex. So to conclude, you can win them back. You can't really go back to that relationship. You can win their love again, but it has to be from scratch. If you want to know what to do exactly, here is 2 ways to go about it. One, you can watch the videos on this channel, or you can check the links in this video for my more extended course, where I methodically get you from first stage to the last stage, and we just go through all of this in order for you to get them back. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. Chances are on your side. It will be possible for you to do it. Follow the right instruction, and you will be together with the person you love and deserve. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in other videos.